Like, you go,
And you know, I let it out a lot more because I wasn't at the bottom.
yeah, that's
And
everything.
I crank it one, crank back up, and yeah.
Harder you work, like, the harder you work. Nice and easy. Don't grab the line. Okay, lift him up, hand towards him. Under the water, look, keep him under the water. Oh, set him straight, bud. That's hurt. He's hunkering down like that.
Oh, I see.
Keep him in the water. Hunkering down takes the leverage away from you.
I see.
Keep your hand on the cork, too. Keep your hand on the cork.
Going, baby.
Nice and easy, Dennis. Nice and easy. All right.
Trigger every time. He is. Hatchery. I think he is, guys. I did not see him. I got a good look at him.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, he does.
What is it?
Hatchery.
All right.
That's right.
Oh!
Peace and love.
Yeah. Oh, baby.
No. That's your king. I'll move on. All right, guys, I'll tag him out. Now we are done.
Now we are done, aren't we?
Awesome!
God! We didn't get skunked, buddy. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're just a wild one, aren't you? Chill, baby.
Got a lot of piss and vinegar in him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hot shit.
All right.
That's a beautiful fish there.
Yep,
Nice job.
Okay, you guys did it. I just put you on the river.